Zhuzh it around, zhuzh it around.
Getting the notice that we need to sit up straighter. We're here to talk about a product that we can't live without, and that is the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. I love it for so many reasons. It smells amazing. It's perfect for anytime you have limp hair, which happens to me a lot. That's something you also said was a concern.
Definitely.
Basically fun, I think, is the number one thing that I feel about my hair when I use this. Like it goes from being sad and limp to being fun.
And happy.
Yeah, it just makes everything a little bit better. So I was like, you should use this.
Yeah, judging by my hair today, it was successful. I loved it. So here is some of what happened.
So it's my first day using the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. I've never used this before. A brilliant alternative to dry shampoo. That's great because I love dry shampoo. This is feeling slightly awkward. I can't tell. It's the end of day one. I think anyone with fine hair will know that this is about as good as it gets when it comes to volume. Still smells amazing. I think today I'm going to try to curl my hair and see if this will help keep some of those curls. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to brush it out and then put the spray, or put the spray and brush it out, so I'm hoping that this will be my new secret weapon. So it's been about 5 hours since I curled my hair and put the dry texturizing spray in. My roots are not greasy. There's still some sort of volume. And right now I'm thinking I might not need to wash my hair tonight, which is always a win in my book.
The thing is, like, what is a dry texturizing spray? That was what I was thinking. I had never heard of one.
It's like dry shampoo and texturizing spray had a baby and came out with something brilliant.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how much it just helped hold the curls and just keep some of that volume and lift in my hair.
Yay.
That's it. If you want us to try any products, leave them in the comments below.
I think
Awkward.
That's it for product I can't live without, the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray edition.
Let us know in the comments what you thought and if there's any products that you want us to try.
Bye.